All right, so my 5 minute box is drawn. I'm on MNQ. I have my settings. So now we just broke above the level. I'm waiting for another candle to go above, and that's gonna be my entry. I have 3 micros ready for it. Uh, it looks like it's kind of going up and down, but my bias is to go up. So I'm in the right level. We'll just see if I get a strong push to the upside after this 1 minute candle closes. I really am. I'm going to follow my rules. I'm only risking 200 per trade. And if I don't get my rules followed, then I'm not getting in. I'm not. So the market is going up and down. I thought it was going to go up, but well, I don't know. We'll see. So what I'm looking for is this to be a close outside of the box. If it can be a close outside of a box and not touching the box again. So this candle almost did it. If it would have kept going after that, then I would have got in. But since it didn't, I'm not getting in. Wow, it's just popping right back down. It's popping right back down. But it did, just to give you guys some contents. Look at this. It went all the way up last night. So since 4 o'clock this morning, it went all the way up. So it could keep going up or it could go back down. I really don't know. I would love for it to go up like I wanted to, like the bias that I made. So we'll see. So one thing I learned about trading is you have to be disciplined, man. You have to be disciplined. You have to really focus and do your rules because that's the only thing that's going to separate you. So now it's breaking above. Let's see if it continues. Hopefully it does continue. But I needed to close. Oh my goodness. It pushed. Pushed. Goodness gracious. I know it's leaving without me, but I can't get in until I get, because that could be a liquidity sweep, something to push above to get a lot of people out, you know? Look at that. That's crazy. This level is a level that I marked out yesterday. It was a high. Come on. If you close above that level, and see, the liquidity sweep meaning it's trying to get a lot of people out that bought at this level before. Now it continues to push up after this candle close. I'm going to go ahead and get in. Even though that was a huge push, that was over 20, 40 points that just pushed. It has to continue up. If it passes this candle at the top of this level, I'm gonna get in. I'm in. Okay, guys, I'm in.
Order
I'm
filled.
looking for it looked like it popped below that level right when I got in. All right. So this is how much I have risking right here. I don't know if this is gonna be if this is a good entry. I wish it pushed me out on this level right here. I wish I could have got in like at right here, but it's okay. So I'm gonna target this level, which is a 1 to 1.7, which I'll usually go to 1 to 2. I love to go 1 to, so what I'll do, 1 to 2 gives me 400. 400, right? And after I get past 200, I need to let it rock. See, that's my problem right there. That's my problem. After it passes this 1 to 2 level, what I'm going to do is I'll go ahead and take 1 to 1, meaning I'll take $200 off. Or I'll hit break even. Sorry. I'll hit break even. But I have to learn to leave the trade alone. Leave the trade alone. Let it rock out. Get rid of this line. It has already went up so much. Look at this. It's already went up so much. But past this line after the 5 minute, it didn't go that high. I really wanted to keep pumping. I really do. Keep pumping. Keep on pumping. Keep on pumping. So it looked like it's about to hit my 1 to 2. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and after it hits that 1 to 2, I'll go ahead and break. So I'm gonna put a line here at the top of this level. So after it hits that 1 to 2, I'll go ahead and take 200 off. I'll break even. Should I break even? Yeah, I think I'll break even. There you go. It just hit my level that I wanted. No, I'm gonna go ahead and take 200 off. So now the trade, I've made money off of it. I've made money off this trade, and now I can continue on. Now, if it breaks this, maybe I should have went at the bottom of this level, but I'll continue to see. All right, so it did it. That's my 1 to 2 hit. Go ahead and delete that. I'm gonna keep going because what I really want, to continue on. I wanted to continue on, and every single plus 200, I would love to take 200 off. So as it get to 600, I'll take 4. I mean 2. I'll go to 4. As it get to 800, I'll go to 6. Just like that. But I am profitable right now in this trade. Following my rules is doing this job, and I don't want to lose money on this thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep following my plan after it passes a certain level to go ahead and take some off. Okay? To go ahead and take some off. I really hope it doesn't go all the way back down. Come all the way back down. I really hope it doesn't. But if it does, I already took some off, okay, which is crazy. I hope it's just a really quick retest to this level right here. I hope. Nope. Looks like it's gonna come back down a little bit. But I'm gonna leave it alone. I've already made $200 off this trade. I actually put it to 250. Let's go 250. All right, 250. I'll do it to 258. And I'm gonna continue to wait on this level. Right now, I'm at 500. It keeps breaking and retested, but it looks like it's continuing to go up. So I'm happy about that. Ultimately, my goal is to get to 1500 to pass this combine today, even though I know I would love
Order
to.
filled.
What'd I do? Oh my gosh. I got out of the trade and I didn't want to. Oh my gosh. I didn't want to get out of this trade. I got out of it. See, guys, that's the mistake. You play around so much, you do this so much. You should not do that. You should just let it rock. Okay, so guys, dang, I messed up. I messed up, guys. I messed up. Okay, so that's it for me. I did what I had to do. I made $569 on my combine. I'm not doing any more trades. This is my first trade. I didn't have to do any more trades. Um uh Also, what I have and I'll pause real quick to pull up my tracking mechanism. All right, so I'm back. So this is my training journal. Yeah, this is real. This is a real of what I've really lost, right? Trying to get my mind together and focus on the things that I need to do, right? So that's me. I can take that hit, guys. All right, so today we have our account, which is last four is that. Doesn't really matter, but so today's Thursday the 30th. I was on NASDAQ. NASDAQ. Did I follow my rules? Yes. I went long. I risked $200. One trade. I won 569.34. 569.34. And it's going back down now. 569.34. It was a win. Account balance is 569.34. Top Step, not blown. Today's that's the date. Okay. And for what happened is I kept my rules. I follow my rules. Follow my rules. Now, this is a green day. I'm going to put this in green. Right? This is green. Also, I'm going to put my, I'm sorry. Put that in green. All right. Yeah. So here we go. This is my trading journal that I'm doing. Once I go over to the live, then I'll start doing that. Yes, I had a live account and I blew the live account yesterday. All right. So this is my trade journal. This is what I'm tracking for every day until I go into my live. And then I'm going to follow my rules for my live too. So this is my trading journal, guys. This is what I will do and how I will track it. This is how I keep myself accountable. This is how I follow my rules. All right. That's day one. So I have done pretty good, guys. I've done pretty good. So I'm going to keep my mentality, stay focused, and do what I have to do. Okay? Let's do this, man. Let's really do this. All right. So we're back. We're back. And now we're waiting for our 5 minute to close and the second part of the session. So the futures market, they have what they call a 23-hour market during the week, right? So it's open 23 hours. It's closed for an hour each day, right? For maintenance, that's what they call it. So it's basically like the market is being back open at 6 o'clock Eastern, 5 o'clock where I'm at Central. So I'm waiting for this 5 minute to close, and I'm gonna draw my box, and then we're gonna do our rules again. We're on MNQ. We're at the 5 minutes. We already found our direction. We think it's gonna go up again. We're gonna plot the 5 minute. After that, not about 15 more seconds. Then we're gonna go to the 1 minute chart. Wait for the break and direction. We're gonna risk 3 micros. I know I had 1, but we're gonna do 3 for right now. 3 micros, and stick to our plan. So let's go ahead and draw our box. Draw our box for the 5 minutes. Right. Go to the 1 minute, and then we wait. So let's wait. Looking at this, it looks like it might be a good short opportunity, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just follow my rules. I'm not gonna do anything inside the 5 minute range, that opening 5 minute range, and I'm gonna just watch. I'm just watching. So let's watch. Still waiting, guys. Still waiting. Okay, so if you notice, I drew like a little support line right here because it seems like price was popping up off of this little area right here. So I drew a quick support area because I'm bored and I'm waiting for price to pop above or below. So I drew that. So I'm looking and noticing that that's happening right there. And also right here, also this little area. So I might just draw something right here also. Something that's popping above and below. So it's possible. And I'll change the colors on it too. Oh, let's see if it's true. But guess what? We're still waiting. So right now it looks like it wants to go down now. And it's going down. If I go back to the 5 minute, it's going down. So we're gonna keep watching it. It's popping below the little support level that we had. I'm cool with that. If you want to slowly go down, as soon as you break this box, I'm coming in. Man, this market is going crazy. So it went from down to back up. So now we still waiting for a break. Let's see what happens. Well, guys, looks like this Thursday afternoon, it's going to be in between my 5 minute range. And due to my rules, I do not trade inside my 5 minute range. All right. So we're going to try this again Friday morning when the market opens at 9:30 Eastern, 8:30 Central. And yeah, let's do this. All right, so I'm here, opening level. I draw out my thing. It's Friday, by the way. I'm waiting for 5 minutes to close. I draw out my level. It goes up, but I'm waiting. It's not working good. Then after that, you see that it's not something that I wanted to wait around for. I was just waiting for the break. So now you're seeing it's going down. After it started going down, I was like, oh man, what's really good? It stopped popping all the way down. So now it already break the level. I'm waiting for the candle to close. Now I'm waiting for the levels to close outside of the level. Man, it popped back up. So I'm still waiting, still waiting. And now I have a candle starting to pop back down. Now I'm waiting for another candle to start and close down. It did it. I'm in. So now that I'm in, I went and plot my level. I'm thinking that, man, it's going to pop back up, but it continues to go down. Thank goodness, man. So I'm hitting it and I'm observing that it's going down. My levels are doing really well. I plot out how much I want. And you know what? What happens? I get a little overzealous and I do the same thing I did yesterday that I didn't want to do. So I broke my promise with my rules and I just followed my stops and I took profit instead of letting my true stop loss work. It didn't. So it kept going down, kept going down. I had my levels of 1530 at the bottom that I wanted to reach. And yeah, I just trailed my stop. And if you notice, it's going down good. And I'm having a great time talking to the charts. Hey, go down, go down, go down. I hope you continue to go down. And it's like, man, continue to go down. And I think I got a little overzealous once I got to the 800 level and I was like, okay, it's gonna make it. And then once it got to the 1,000 level, I was like, okay, maybe I should take a little bit more off. And I ended up taking a little bit too much off. And then I put it at the 528 level, right? So kept going down. It's at the 1,000 level right now. If I really wanted to take some off, I should have took that 1,000. But I ended up keeping it at the five, like the 5, 6, right? And then it started popping up a little bit. It started popping up a little bit, and I took it down a little bit too much. So I got 712 at the limit right now that I would take profit at. So it ended up going up and hitting me out at the 712 level right there. All right. Then, guys, I broke my promise. I said I would never do this. I would wait for my 5 minutes to do this. Lost 200 on that one. Shouldn't have done that. Okay. Thinking it was continuing to go down. I did it again, and then it went up too fast. Lost another 200. Now I'm at 285. It's crazy, man. Always follow your rules. All right, guys. So yes, I did some crazy stuff. Did I messed up my whole plan, and I did not do what I was supposed to do, man. But let me tell you, after I got off camera, I went crazy in the head. All right. Oh man. Thank goodness I didn't blow my account because I really had an emotional day. You hear me? I had an emotional day. But as you can see on the screen, I actually gained $1,700 because I just revenge traded and I just let it go. Thank goodness that it went down. Like the price went down. This is a trade that I took after all of that. I ended up getting in a short position from this position right here, and it went down here, man. So I made my 1,700 for the day. It's supposed to be 15, but I ended up getting 1,700 anyway. So that means I have to make it up Monday and continue to try, man. I mean, oh, I don't like to trade like that, and it was ridiculous how it went. I'm just happy that it didn't blow my $1,000 daily loss limit, and I just continued to win, and it continued to win because look, it went right. It's coming right back up, man. So thankfully, it didn't work out that way. we'll see you on Monday. Once again, I forgot something happened with my audio, so I'm talking over this. So this is my first trade. Uh, it broke above the level, but then it started retracing back into the level. So it actually ended up being a bad trade. Not a bad trade, but ended up just retracing back into my stop loss. So you can see after it went, I just kept continuously going down. And it took a little while before it automatically took out. So it took me out. So next trade, it took a while, and I ended up taking the trade in the middle, thinking that hey, this little retracement is gonna be the one that goes all the way down. And I actually took a couple of them. I think if I'd have just let it roll down and had a good stop loss at the top, it would have been okay to done so. But hey, end up not even working out the way I wanted it to work out. So yeah, that's it. All right, so we're back. So this is a kind of part three to this. I'm trying to pass this account. I have about $1900 to pass this account. I'm gonna try to do it today, following my rules. Right now, we're waiting for the 5 minute candle to close, and then after the 5 minute candle closes, then we'll be able to either hop in at the top or hop in at the bottom. Still following our rules, guys. Let's do this. All right, so we have draw our 5 minute. We're waiting for it to break above or break below. My bias right now, it looks real choppy, guys. Looks real choppy. So I'm really looking for it to break below this level or break above this level. So it's not a lot that I can look forward to because today's chop really wasn't. It did a big push from this morning. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to trade this morning. It's at 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock Central right now. So hopefully I'll be able to get some good trades in. All right, it looks like it wants to peak above. It just gave me a break above the level. So I'm gonna wait to see what happens. But it's popping right back down into the 5 minute level. So let's see. Let's see what happens, man. Well, looks like this one didn't work. But I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna hold it, and then if it breaks below that line, I'm gonna go ahead and take a sell position. We'll be back. It looks like it's gonna be a long one. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of this trade because it doesn't look like it's doing anything, man. And I want it to go up as much as possible, but it looks like it's gonna go down, like we predicted. So I'm gonna give it at least the end of this candle and see what it wants to do. If it goes back up to the opening high, then maybe I'll stay. Well, I guess I should stay. Look at it, it's popping back up. So I'll hold on. I'll hold on. We'll do another pause and hopefully we'll come back with some profits, or we didn't blow, or we lost the 200. Okay, yeah, it looks like it keeps going down. I'm gonna go ahead and kill this trade.
Order filled.
Took 80 on this one, so move it out the way and wait for another break. I'm gonna wait for another break and see what I can do. See what happens. Let's wait. Bro, what is this? What is going on here? Look at this. Look at this entry. Look at this. You see this? This line that went right back up? And it's my fault. My trade wasn't validated and I got out. If this pops back up, then I'm gonna be kind of sick. We're waiting. All right, so I got back in. It kept going above. So right now I'm waiting to see how this works out. It crept above. Got this stop loss right here. And I'm gonna wait and watch. It keeps popping down, so it's not strong, man. It's not strong. So we'll see. Whoa, that was a huge pop. That was a huge pop. Let's keep going. It was a huge pop, but then it popped right back down. I don't know what's up with that. All right, let's go. You know how much I need today. I need a lot. I need a lot. I need a lot. So let's see. I need you to put me all the way back in the positive. It's okay to get a retracement as long as it doesn't come all the way back down to stop me out. I'm okay. Let's watch. Looks like I forgot I erased this over here. This was the highest level it got over here. And it looks like it's doing a support level or resistance level of it at the top. So I needed to break that level. Look at it. These 3 points hit it exactly. It hit it exactly. So I needed to go above that level. I needed to break above that level. That's a strong resistance level. As much as I want to reach this level today, I'm not sure we're gonna make it because that resistance level is super strong, and it wants to go down so bad. Oh man, so 114. I wish it would go up. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I'm still put 1 to 2, holding on to my trade right here. And I'm gonna wait. I want it to break above, but that resistance is scaring me. That resistance is scaring me like it's gonna keep popping stuff down, to be honest. Guys, I'm out. I'm out of this trade. I'm out.
Order filled.
All right. So this is Tuesday morning, opening session. This is a 5-minute chart. We are ready to go and see what happens, yo. See what happens. Off open, it popped up so much. But we're gonna see. Wait for my 5 minutes close. There it is. That's it close. Go to my 1 minute. Look like a lot of volume gonna happen today. Hopefully it continues on. I have my open. It just closed above the level. Hopefully it continues on the way up. Strong like this. It's popping. So just let me catch what I need to catch on this. I'll be okay. Looking for it to pop above that level. It
Order
popped above
filled.
that level, but I didn't get in good. Hopefully that's a good entry, man. Hopefully it doesn't pop back down. We'll see what happens. I'm looking to take the full profit today. So if it retraces back into that level, man, then it retraces back into that level. Hopefully it doesn't, but I hope it continues to go up.
Order filled.
All right, so stopped out for a small loss right here. Well, a loss of 200. I'm going to continue to look for my entry. So we'll see what happens. First one was a X. Looks like it's going to pull back though. Might do a retracement to the downside.
Order filled.
Now, if it pops back up, then that's crazy because I didn't follow my rules.
Order filled.
Yep. That's what happened. All right. So here we go. Broke above that level. It's passing the level that I had before. Waiting for this to climb above. Hopefully it's not a range day, man. Hopefully not. Go to the 5 minute. It look like it's going down in the 5 minute. Like it's going down in the 5 minutes. So I have no idea what this market is going to do today. I'm just going to hold on and hope for the best.
Order filled.
What just happened? Actually, dang. I actually took a short just now, thinking that it would continue down. And it popped me out so quick. In the 5 minute, it's going down. But it's really in range. It's really in range, man.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right.